While all numbers have a dark and light side, this one might be the most dichotomous of them all. When speaking of 555 energy, we're talking about the manifestation, because the number is being presented 3 times, of karmic energy because of the number 5. Now, it's important that we revisit the concept of 32 versus 23 energy, or negative versus positive karma, when speaking of 555 energy. The hallmark of karma is difficulty, but it's important to pay attention to what kind of circumstances you're manifesting, right? Because of the fact that karmic energy can simply be difficulty in and of itself. It can be the emotional reaction that arises from certain situations. It can be your mindset that is connected to certain situations or people. Or we could be talking about a more positive shift, geared more so towards 23 energy, or positive karmic shifts. And it does not exempt you from the difficulty, but what it does is it means that there is a greater purpose, and it will actually shift your trajectory by going through this difficulty. So whenever we're navigating spiritual cycles, especially karmic spiritual cycles, it is of utmost importance that you know yourself, that you know your MO, you know your shortcomings, you know your tendencies, you know the things that you should be working on in regard to shadow work, ego work, inner child healing, nurturing, things of this nature. Know who you are, know your astrology placements, know your fixed star correlations, know thyself. And then it's easier to navigate these situations, easier to react or act in an opposite manner, right? To overcome certain patterns, to overcome certain behaviors that are limiting your growth and limiting your expansion. Because when 555 energy hits, it's in no way easy, but it signifies the potential for, or the initiation of, profound growth.